Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Honda CRV maintenance light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, press and hold the trip meter reset button until the maintenance light blinks, then release and press again to confirm the reset. If the light persists, cycle the ignition or consult the manual. This method works for many CRV models and takes only a minute or two. In this video, I will show how to reset the Honda CRV maintenance light. Access the Vehicle Settings menu on the dashboard display, navigate to Maintenance or Reminders, and choose the Reset option, then confirm when prompted. Some models require holding the OK button or a combo of steering wheel controls. If the menu option is missing, try the manual trip meter method or consult the owner manual for exact button names and steps. In this video, I will show how to reset the Honda CRV maintenance light. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading owner manuals and repair guides anywhere, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It fits in a glove box or work bag. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset the Honda CRV maintenance light. If the indicator returns, it often signals a required service, and a diagnostic scan is recommended. Avoid repeatedly clearing the light without addressing issues, since that can hide problems. Disconnecting the battery can reset warnings, but may erase radio presets or settings. Always follow scheduled maintenance to prevent recurrent alerts and preserve vehicle performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.